Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Engr.ashfaq. Today we are going to start another tutorial of AutoCAD. So this is the figure. First of all, draw two circles with a radius 20 and 40. As shown in the figure. So now draw a line from the center of the circle with a distance of 90 up to the end point and 80 up to the small circle radius center point. Now draw a circle of radius 5. Now copy this circle and move across the line with a distance of 25. So central distance is 25. Now draw the outer circle on edge with radius of 10 shown in the figure. Now we can offset the center line with a distance of 2.5 and 2.5 on either side of the line. Now we are going to trim the extra entities from our figure. So finally we have trimmed the extra entities. Now we can go into polararray and we'll make array of the circle in 3 rows. First of all, I'm going to draw a line on both tangents of the circle. Similarly, I can mirror this line on other side of line. So this is one part of our figure. Now go to folder array, select the entities which you want to make array. So select the center and select your rows. We have 3 rows and click on close array. So this is the final figure. Now trim the extra entities. I have trimmed the extra entities. One thing which is missing, that is gradient. Go to gradient, select a color of which you required. So we have here a blue and white gradient. Select one color blue, the next one white, and go to radial gradient. So this is our final figure which is required. It's completed. And lastly, you need to give proper dimension to your figure. Go to annotation tab, set your dimensions and give proper dimension. this point, our figure has been completed with dimension. At last, you need to take a printout of your figure. Go to print and select your printer, center the plot. If you like my work, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming interesting video. Thanks for watching. So this is the final figure PDF. Enjoy it. Thank you.